We live in a different Bengal today. We live in a Bengal that is transformed by the vision and action of our Honorable Chief Minister.
As someone from Bengal, having been brought up and lived a completely different life in sport, it makes me happy when I see such stalwarts of the industries to come and think our state capable of big investment.
When any entrepreneur looks at an investment decision, I believe there are two things that they look for. One is a supportive and conducive environment, particularly from the government, and the other are economic opportunities. We know very well that Kolkata and Bengal are extremely well positioned. We serve many eastern states and northeastern states and some countries, which means that we have a great market around the state.
এই গল্প নয়কো শুধু সমৃদ্ধ অর্থনীতির, এই গল্প 15 বছরের বাংলার উন্নয়নের।